Hi, this is Vijay Parthasarathy again with another video of immense value. So I request you to look at this in very deep focus and take down as much notes as possible. This is the one technique that will help you manifest whatever you want, whatever you desire, be it in terms of health, wealth, and business or relationships, etc. Whatever you desire. This is beyond what normally people called as the visualization technique. Visualization is normally misunderstood as just imagination. So here in this video, I will take you through the systematic 5-step process of how you can use this amazing technique to actually bring to reality whatever you desire. Okay, this is 5-step process. Step number 1. Whatever you desire has to be based on what is known as a PPP principle, the 3P principle, which means the first P is present tense, and the second P is positive, and the third P is personal, which means, let me give you an example. If you want to earn, say, $1 million a year, the first P has to be about personal, which means I. It has to be about I. And then it has to be present tense, that I am earning. It's not about I will earn, it is I am earning. And then the third P is about a positive activity. Normally we all anyway desire only a positive activity. $1 million a year is not too bad. So that's where the whole principle lies. And so here is step number 1. First and foremost, you have to decide a particular date, exact date, not somewhere in the future, not somewhere after 6 months, 3 months, 1 year, exact date. So let's decide, say October 15th, 2021. And for the sake of simplicity, and so ease of explaining the whole thing, let's agree that maybe you desire a very top-end car. Okay, it's not necessary that everybody requires a car, but just for the sake of an example, let's assume that somebody requires a top-end car. So let's decide, the step number 1 is deciding a specific date, October 15th, 2021. Then step number 2. Step number 2 is to be able to write a sentence, which in normal terminology is called an affirmation, but in the PPP form. Remember what I said? Personal, present tense, and positive. Which means if I want let's say a top-end car, but I have to be specific. And so the sentence will go like this: I own a 5 Series BMW car. So I is personal, own, that means currently, that means is present tense, and a positive activity is a BMW car. And it has to be far more specific. Let's make it even more specific. I own a dark blue 525 BMW car. Okay, this is the affirmation. Now, this can be in any language of your choice, and it can be in any colloquial form also of your choice, but the 3 P's have to be integrated into this. Now, step number 3. This is a very important element of all the steps. Now you have to let's decide that today you have to wake up to October 15th, 2021. So assume that today is the day when you're actually going to manifest this particular desire. So like I said, everything is going to be in the present tense. So close your eyes and do this exercise. This is step number 3, and it's very important. Now today is October 15th, 2021, and you come down the steps and you walk to the garage. And there in that garage, you see parked the beautifully shiny, new looking, dark blue BMW standing in your garage. So you have engaged your visual sense. Remember this, you have firstly engaged the visual sense of having looked at the car. Then you come near the car and then you have your hand, touch it and feel it, and walk around the car, touching the car, feeling the cold, steely metal of the car and feeling the touch. Now you have engaged the second sense, which is the touch. And then you open the door, and then you sit inside and then smell the newness of the car. Now you have engaged the third sense of smell. And then you look at hold the steering and then turn the ignition on, either in terms of a press or in terms of key or whatever it is. You turn the ignition on and hear the whirring sound of the engine. So now you have engaged the fourth sense, which is of sound, hearing. And then obviously, since you have a new car, they would have kept either a sweet or a cake or something inside. So you taste that cake. So you've now engaged the fifth sense, which is of taste. So what have you done? You have engaged every single sense of the body. The look in terms of visual, the touch, the hearing of the engine, the smell of the car, and the taste of the cake. This is what 95% of the people don't get. Visualization is not about imagination. Visualization is about engaging every single sense that we have been endowed with, and then feel this. So that is step number 3. Now you can take this step deeper and deeper and deeper. The deeper you take it, the faster and more clear the manifestation will be. For example, when you're sitting in the car, hold the steering. Feel the leather of the steering. Take your hand and put it on the seat and feel the leather. Look through the windshield. Look through what is in front. Maybe start the wiper and then engage the car and maybe drive it a little. The more you get into the act of the actual driving, the more you're able to tell from the universe what you need. So that's step number 3. Step number 4, this is another key. Now when you're visualizing all this, you need to feel it. You need to feel it here. It is not enough if you look at it and smell it, but you need to feel it. Suppose you were to earn $1 million. Suppose you were to really got this BMW car today, which suppose assuming it's your dream car, right? And then how do you feel? You'd feel like something fantastic happening inside, maybe an extra heartbeat or something fantastic you would feel. So feel that emotion. The step number 4 is to feel the emotion. The more intensely you feel, the longer that you feel, and the more number of times you feel, the faster you will be able to manifest this. That is step number 4. And step number 5, remember that you have asked the universe and sent out in terms of a gold card. And then the universe has given it to you. So what do? You have to thank the universe, either in whichever form that you want, either in terms of the God that you pray or whoever it is. You have to thank the universe in terms of what you have got. So 5-step process. Step number 1, set a date in terms of a particular goal. On that particular date, you set what you need. It could be anything, like I said. This could be a car, $1 million. It could be the best partner. It could be the best job. It could be a holiday in Hawaii. Whatever it is, set a date. Step number 2, create a sentence in the PPP form, present tense, positive and personal, and term this as the affirmation. And then say this and visualize this in the form of 5 senses. Visualization is not about imagination, it's about engaging all the 5 senses. And then step number 4, feel it inside. And step number 5 is thank the universe for having manifested it for you. Try this. It has worked for millions and millions of people, and it has worked for me personally, and it will work for you 100%. Have a wonderful day, and this is Vijay Parthasarathy signing off again. Thank you.